Hello, my name is Lea Shaitar, and today, alongside my colleague Paula Marahnic, I will be presenting a presentation the two of us made about self-healing concrete. In this presentation, we will be teaching you about what self-healing concrete is, how it is made of and where it comes from, its importance, use, and effectiveness, including its pros and cons.
The first topic will explain what is self-healing concrete and what does it do. So you're sitting here listening to this presentation about self-healing concrete, but you don't know what even is concrete itself. Well, I'm going to tell you. This is the most commonly used construction material here on Earth. It is made from mixing cement, sand, stone, and water. It is used in making roads, building sewers, and bridges, and it is connected to steel rods. Oh, but now you're wondering, what is self-healing concrete? Well, it is the ability of concrete to repair its cracks on its own, which means the crack is repaired without any external influence.
Our next topic consists of how self-healing concrete is made and where it comes from. Self-healing concrete is made of bacteria that can produce limestone, CaCO3, when in the presence of calcium and carbon dioxide. Limestone can be produced by only 3 bacterial cultures. The bacteria produces spores, which ensures a longer lifespan, protection, and toughness. Now, you might be wondering how all of this works. How does the bacteria stay dormant until a crack forms? And how is the crushing of the bacteria avoided before the crack forms? Well, it's very simple. The crushing of the bacteria is avoided by placing them in protective capsules, which dissolve when the crack forms and releases them. On the other hand, the bacteria stays dormant and inactive until cracks form and air enters, which dissolves the capsule and lets the bacteria free.
The third topic will explain the importance of self-healing concrete. So what is the purpose of self-healing concrete? Well, it repairs cracks in the concrete, which are very dangerous, because if cracks form, water gets in, and over time corrosion of steel rods occur, which then leads to structural damage. So thanks to self-healing concrete, there is no need to repair concrete as often because it heals itself, and that results in less carbon dioxide being emitted in the atmosphere, which is usually emitted in the atmosphere in the production of concrete, and it also saves money in the long run. This is the process of self-healing concrete. First of all, a crack forms and air enters, which causes the germination of bacteria in the concrete. This basically means that the protective capsules of bacteria would dissolve and release them into the concrete. The bacteria will then reproduce and excrete calcite, and the calcite will bond to concrete, filling the crack. At the end of this process, the crack should be completely healed.
And so we come to the question, where can it be used in our everyday lives? Well, the answer is pretty simple. Everywhere. Self-healing concrete can be used everywhere that's made of concrete, from buildings to roads to bridges. It is used to patch up cracks and reduce their damage.
The final topic is effectiveness. How effective is it? And what are the pros and cons? So you may be thinking that this was all nice, but how effective it actually is? Well, the cracked concrete can recover 90% of its initial strength. And not only that, but repairs made with this kind of concrete are likely to last longer than their traditional counterparts. And now let's get to some pros and cons of self-healing concrete. So the pros are that there is no need to repair concrete as often as it repairs itself. There is less carbon dioxide emitted in the atmosphere because there is less production of concrete, and it saves money in the long run. The cons are that it's new, and we can say that it is an unexplored territory as of yet, and because of that, skilled labor is required, which also presents a problem.
And that's all from us today. Thank you for paying attention and listening to our presentation. I hope you had fun, or at the very least, learned something new while you were here. After this slide, we have the sources for our template and the links to the articles we use to learn more about this wonderful topic. Thank you once again for listening, and we hope you have a nice day.